What if I told you this is what happens when mac and cheese meets juicy lemon chicken meatballs? Yeah, that's the cheese pool we are after. It's so creamy, cheesy, garlicky, with just the right amount of fresh lemon. Quarter 1 medium yellow onion and toss it into a food processor with a few garlic cloves. Pulse until finely chopped. Now, add 1 chicken breast and pulse until it's finely ground. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 20 grams of freshly grated Parmesan, and 30 grams of breadcrumbs. Finish with the zest of 1 lemon and pulse just until everything comes together. Don't overmix or the meatballs can turn dense. Scoop about 1 level tablespoon of the mixture and roll it into a meatball. If the mixture feels sticky, lightly wet your hands with cold water. It makes rolling them so much easier. Transfer the meatballs to the freezer for about 20 minutes. That little trick helps them hold their shape. Cook the meatballs over medium heat with a little oil and a knob of butter, turning occasionally until they are beautifully golden on the outside. About 5 minutes. Using the same pan, add half a finely diced yellow onion and saute until soft and translucent. Stir in 2 crushed garlic cloves and cook for about 30 seconds, just until fragrant. Pour in 1 cup of chicken stock and 150 grams of heavy cream, 1 generous tablespoon of freshly grated Parmesan, and the zest of another lemon. The smell at this point is absolutely incredible. Season with 1 teaspoon of paprika and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now stir in 30 grams of cheddar cheese and let it melt completely into the sauce. Return the meatballs to the pan and let them gently simmer for about 7 minutes until they are fully cooked and juicy. Meanwhile, cook 250 grams of pasta in heavily salted boiling water. The water should taste like the sea. Cook the pasta about 3 minutes less than the package directions. And before draining, save 1 cup of the pasta water. And there is an important tip: don't rinse the pasta after draining. Add some of the reserved pasta water, then immediately add the pasta. Toss everything together and let it cook in sauce for about 2 minutes, so every piece is coated. Finish with freshly shredded mozzarella and stir until it's completely melted and irresistibly stretchy. If you like this creamy chicken meatball pasta, make sure to give this video a like, share it with someone who would love it, and subscribe for more recipes. And make sure to check out my other videos too. Serve it hot with a little extra Parmesan and enjoy every cheesy, creamy bite with that fresh garlic and lemon aroma. Trust me, this is comfort food at its best.